Have you set up your dashboard yet in T2 Flex? If not, this short video will show you how to get started to see your key performance indicators at a glance. When you're logged into T2 Flex, 2 new menu items appear at the bottom of the global navigation menu, My Dashboard and Manage My Dashboard. If these items are grayed out for you, ask your system administrator to give you privileges in user management to use the My Dashboard feature. If you've not yet set up your dashboard and you click on My Dashboard, you're going to get a blank screen. So let's set one up. Go to Manage My Dashboard. When you click on Manage My Dashboard, you will see all of the different widgets that are in your Flex database. And these are the widgets that you can add to your dashboard to see information. You can drill down by category. So if I only want to see the Appeals widgets, I can click on Appeals. And to add one of these widgets to my dashboard, I'm going to choose the plus sign, which is Add to Dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Appeals activity year-to-date, and let's add an Appeals result analysis year-to-date as well. Then I can go to my citations. What widgets do I want to see in my citations? So if we want to see citations issued year-to-date by location, by officer, we can add any of those. We can see our citation revenue analysis. This has to do with our revenue that's coming in from our citation collections. Imported is going to be any widgets that you import into your system. This is where they will go by default. If you're using real-time GPS, you can see your issued citations over the last 24 hours. I'm going to go ahead and add that. And you'll see that I just keep adding widgets here. I can add up to 10 on my dashboard. So if I want to see my current occupancy, I can see that. And maybe under permits, I want to see my permits sold. So I'm going to look at my permit type sold and maybe my total sales amount, which is, again, my revenue that I'm making from my permit. Once I've selected all of the widgets that I want to see, I'm going to navigate back to my dashboard by clicking this back arrow that says Return to My Dashboard. And once you do that, you'll see all of your widgets start to load on your dashboard. Once here, you can resize your widgets. You can move them into different order. So if I wanted to say, instead of my appeals information first, I want to see my citations issued first, I can move those over to be in that order. I can change the size by dragging my widget to make it bigger or smaller. And once I get this set up the way that I want it set up, I'm going to click the Save button here, and this is going to save my layout, and my dashboard's going to look like this until I make a change to it. So every time I click on my dashboard, this is the information that I'm going to see. Your widgets then, you can drill down to get additional information. So our citations issued year-to-date by location. It shows me each month that these citations were issued. If I click on any one of these dots, it shows me the location where those citations were issued, and clicking on one of these bars, one of these locations, will show me what the citations were written for. Okay, so one more cool thing you can do before you leave this page is you can select one or two of these to put on your home page. So if I wanted to say I want to see my appeals activity or my citations issued, I'm going to select this drop-down menu, and I'm going to set as home page 1. I can also set one as home page 2. So let's do like my citation analysis, and I can set as home page 2. Now these two widgets are going to show up on my home page every time I log into Flex so that I can see at a glance the two most important pieces of information to me. So there you have it. You have a dashboard. And now that you're started, there are next steps. You can do more with this if you want to. So one thing you can do is you can download widgets from others and upload them into your Flex instance. So to find those, you can find them in the Crystal Reports library on the T2 Hub. So if I navigate to t2systems.com and I click on the Hub, If you've not yet registered for an account, you need to self-register by submitting your email account. If you have, enter your username and password. Go to the report library, and you'll see that one of the categories is widgets. And here's where all of the widgets that we have available for download will be listed. We're going to be adding to this, and we hope that you will be adding to this as well. Select one that you'd like to download. Click on View. Save it as something that you can locate on your desktop. Then you can upload that into Flex using your import from Manage My Dashboard. You would just import this widget. Again, this would show up in your imported widgets file because that's where all of your imported widgets are going to go. Save, and now you can add this to your desktop or to your dashboard. I encourage you to watch the entire training session, which can be found in T2U, so back on the T2systems.com, T2U, a training login. If you don't have a training login, contact us at training.t2systems.com, and we'll set you up, and you can view there the entire session on this feature.